In this GlowShift Gauge's installation video, we'll show you how to install a GlowShift Fuel Pressure Gauge into your 1999 to 2003 7.3-liter Ford Super Duty. For the purpose of this video, we will install a black 7-color series 100 PSI Fuel Pressure Gauge into a 2000 Ford F-250 7.3-liter Powerstroke. We'll install the fuel pressure sensor using a GlowShift Fuel Pressure thread adapter made specifically for the 7.3-liter Powerstroke. The gauge will be powered using expandable circuits and mounted using a factory-fitted single-gauge steering column pod. Additional pods can be purchased on our website. When you're ready, grab your tools and we'll meet you in the garage. Before beginning work on the truck, ensure that the engine is cool and disconnect both negative battery terminals using a 13mm wrench. Locate the fuel filter housing near the center of the engine bay. Using the yellow drain valve, drain the fuel from the filter housing before removing the filter plug. Use a 3/16" Allen key to remove the fuel filter plug from the back side of the filter housing. Be sure to use a drain pan to catch any fuel that drains when you remove the plug. Insert the sensor thread adapter and tighten using a 14mm wrench. Grab the fuel pressure sensor included with your gauge and thread it into the sensor thread adapter. Tighten using a 22mm wrench and a 14mm wrench. Connect the sensor harness and route it to the driver's side of the engine bay. Secure the wire using zip ties and be sure to steer clear of any moving parts or areas that generate heat. Carefully feed the harness through the firewall and be sure to use a grommet to protect the wire. To be able to test for power, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Remove the kick panel from the driver's side footwell to access the fuse panel. Remove the headlight switch panel from the dash and locate the red wire with a yellow tracer. Using a test light, confirm that the wire receives 12-volt power when the headlights are turned on. For this installation, we will splice into the headlight switch wire using a wire tap and connect it to the gauge power harness using a piece of orange 18-gauge automotive wire. Crimp the wire tap to the headlight switch wire and feed the orange wire down through the dash. Push the headlight switch panel back into place. Grab the gauge power harness and crimp the orange wires together. For this installation, we will also be powering the gauge with expandable circuits. The expandable circuits will plug into fuse locations 4 and 19, which will supply the gauge with constant 12-volt power and ignition-switched 12-volt power. Attach expandable circuits to the yellow and red wires of the gauge power harness. Attach a ring terminal to the black wire. Remove the fuse from location 4 and place it in the expandable circuit connected to the yellow wire. Plug the circuit into fuse location 4. Remove the fuse from location 19 and place it in the expandable circuit connected to the red wire. Plug the circuit into fuse location 19. Finally, connect the black wire to a reliable grounding source. With all connections secure, Carefully route the power and sensor harness up the steering column and through the back of the gauge pod. Plug the harness into the back of the gauge and push the gauge into the pod. Clean up any loose wires and reinstall the kick panel. Finally, turn the vehicle on and test your gauge for full functionality. You've now successfully installed your GlowShift 7 Color Series Fuel Pressure Gauge into a 1999 to 2003 7.3 liter Ford Super Duty. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please contact us at 1-888-GS-GAUGE, and we'll see you on the road.